In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out from an Airbnb in just 5 minutes. This straightforward process ensures a smooth departure, making your host's life easier and your travel experience more enjoyable. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open the Airbnb app or visit the website. Familiarity with the interface can be quite helpful, but don't worry if you're new to it. The homepage is designed to guide you intuitively with all the options at your fingertips. Once you're logged in, look for the Trips section. This is your main hub for all ongoing, upcoming, and past bookings. You'll want to navigate to this section to find details about your current stay. After accessing your trips, locate the stay you are about to check out from. It's usually highlighted at the top if it's the active reservation. Once you select your current stay, you'll find specific details related to that booking, which includes not just the listing details, but also essential instructions given by your host. Next, it's time to review your host's checkout instructions. This step is crucial as it includes details about the checkout time and how to return the keys. Each host might have slightly different requirements, so it's important to familiarize yourself with these instructions to ensure you're following their house rules. Checkout times can vary greatly, so double-checking can prevent unwelcome surprises at the last minute. Once you've gone through the instructions, it's time to carry them out. This usually entails a few housekeeping tasks such as tidying up, taking out the trash, and making sure the doors and windows are securely locked. Many hosts greatly appreciate a respectful guest who treats their property with care, and following these steps can enhance your reputation as a considerate traveler. Finally, before you leave, send a brief message to your host to confirm your departure. This is not only polite, but also informative for them to know that everything is in order. A short note can simply say you've checked out and everything went smoothly on your end. This opens up a channel for any last-minute issues you might have encountered or forgotten to mention, and also lets the host know that they can arrange for the cleaning crew or next guests without delay. With these steps, checking out of your Airbnb can be a hassle-free experience. It's a small yet significant part of traveling that ensures a harmonious relationship between you and your host. Following these steps carefully and respectfully not only helps you close your current trip on a high note, but also paves the way for future bookings with a positive impression. Happy travels!